Cursor the best tool for building software? Meet Cursor, the AI-first IDE that might replace Visual Studio Code. Using Cursor, here's what it can actually do. Codebase Understanding. Cursor doesn't just read your files, it maps your entire codebase, builds a knowledge graph, and keeps that context active while you code. Summarization, it explains what just changed and why, in plain English. Great for commit summaries, PR reviews, or just catching up. Autocomplete, it's next-level autocomplete, not just finishing lines, but completing entire functions with context-aware suggestions. Planning, give it a goal, and it generates its own to-do list. Then it completes each step automatically, like an AI project manager. And here's the best part, it shows you exactly what it changed. You can review every edit, line by line, then choose to accept or reject the suggestions before they go live. Code Assistance, Cursor offers inline AI help, multi-line code generation, error explanations, and even test writing. It's real AI pair programming. It provides options like Ask, chat with Cursor about your code. Agent, let it take full actions like edits and fixes. Background agents, they quietly improve code while you work, hands-free. You can also select model, switch between variety of models GPT-4o, GPT-4, GPT-5, Claude, or any custom model you want to add, or let Cursor auto-select based on the task. Need control? Just enable, disable, or set auto right in the settings. Settings, everything's customizable, from models and agents to automation and privacy. User rules. Want automation? Set user rules. Example, when version updates, Cursor auto-creates release notes. Clean, simple, done. Project rules, you can create new or edit existing ones. It let you control what files the AI sees and when. Always included. Auto-attached, included when matched files are referenced. Agent requested, AI decides to include it, based on your description. Manual, only added if you call it with that rule name. Example, when main.py is updated and a comment has hashtag, it appends your custom comment. It's smart context management, fully under your control. Bugbot is Cursor's built-in AI code reviewer, and it's a game-changer for teams. To set it up, go to Cursor Settings, Bugbot. Click Manage to connect your GitHub account. Head over to GitHub Settings Applications Configure Cursor. And that's it, setup complete. When a developer opens a new PR, Bugbot instantly scans the changes. To trigger it, just comment at Cursor Review on the PR. Cursor's agent kicks in, runs a review in the background, and posts detailed analysis inside the PR Checks tab. It not only flags bugs, but also explains why the changes might be risky or what could be improved, just like a human reviewer would. Reviewers and devs can see exactly what Bugbot did and interact with its feedback in real time. Once it's enabled, it will automatically review your pull requests, analyze the changes, and give feedback before your human reviewer even opens the PR. Privacy options. Cursor gives you 3 levels of data control. Privacy mode. Share data. Privacy mode, legacy. Choose what fits your workflow, no forced syncing. So, is Cursor the future of coding, or just another shiny dev tool? Drop a comment below. Are you switching to Cursor, or sticking with your current setup? I read every comment, and I'm curious to hear what you think.